Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope so you are doing fit and healthy. Today is day number 13, vlog number 13 and अभी जस्ट आया हूँ जिम से, तो जिम का वर्कआउट मैंने किया है, वो भी आपको देखने को मिलेगा कि मैंने क्या वर्कआउट किया है. बट उसके पहले मुझे बहुत सारे लोगों ने ये क्वेश्चन पूछा. देखना है क्या? देखो. Yes. So I don't have 10k followers, but I still managed to do the swipe up features. How? So today I would be teaching you hacks of swipe up feature in Instagram. How to get this feature of swipe up in Instagram? It's all about IGTV. आपके पास IGTV होना चाहिए. IGTV रहेगा तो आप 100% कर सकते हैं swipe up feature. सो अभी मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा कि कैसा यूज करते हैं IGTV में फीचर्स. सो सबसे पहले आपको 15 सेकेंड्स का वीडियो चाहिए IGTV में अपलोड करने के लिए. इट्स मैंडेटरी. यू शुड हैव 15 seconds ऑफ वीडियो. यू कैन अपलोड इट बाय योर फोन और यू कैन एडिट इट बाय योर सॉफ्टवेयर और एनीथिंग. नाउ आई वुड बी मेकिंग अ वीडियो right away in front of you on my phone. So let's make that video. A new video is uploaded on my YouTube channel and you can watch that video hitting the link above here. Yes, that link you can hit it here and you can watch that video right now. So go ahead and watch that video. It's an extremely awesome video. So go ahead and watch this video right now. तो देखा अभी आपने कि मैंने किया कि right now इधर क्यों, वो सब आपको पता चलेगा आगे. And next is I will click a photo of mine to post in that video.
Once the video of 15 seconds and the photo clicked by you to put on the status is done, then you have to open your IGTV and upload that 15 seconds video with the description written as click the link below and put the below icon from the stickers. Then in the description box you have to paste the link wherein you have to generate the traffic, be it an YouTube link or be it an external link where you want to generate the traffic, and then upload the video. Wait for the video to upload completely. After that you have to upload the photo you have clicked earlier into your status, writing that swipe up and watch the video entire, and down you can take a swipe up sticker from the Instagram feature. Now comes the most important part, that is linking your IGTV video. For that you have to click the link button and then you have to link your photo with the IGTV. That's it, the procedure is done. Now I am going to another profile wherein you can see my status, and when I am hitting on my status it's showing me watch the video, and once I watch the video it would show the video wherein I have done hit the link above and watch the video. There when you hit the link it would be directing you to the external link, and here you see it's my latest YouTube video and you can see that YouTube video, and this way you can generate your traffic to the external link or YouTube link through IGTV from swipe up feature. Enjoy the hack.
This way you can do your swipe up feature on your Instagram profile. You just need Instagram trainee and the video should be 15 seconds of video, and you can direct it to any external link, be it YouTube, be it your personal website or be it any sales website, anything you can direct it to that, and a photo which you can put in a logo where swipe up. That's it, and you can enjoy this hack of Instagram. So that's it for today's video. Hope so you like this hack of Instagram which I am doing to generate my traffic to my YouTube channel, and you too can do it with your Instagram IGTV and enjoy this traffic. So bye bye, and what, being fit and fine, being fit for yourself because you're special. Take care and bye bye. Please subscribe. Go ahead and watch that video. It's an extremely awesome video. So go ahead and watch this video right now.